Friends, good morning. Operator, the most important, very important terminology you people should be aware what that thing is. Just a conditional operator. Have you remember, right? I told some days before. Okay, while discussing while discussing the topic, while discussing, so this what we call conditional operator, please let me know, because that is the most important for the exam sake. That's why more concentration must be required, especially related to conditional operator, right? Okay, sir, conditional operator, operator like sir, question mark colon, remember this one. Okay, how you can represent conditional operator? Question mark colon like you people should aware. Okay, just take a bit very special care, sir. Do you know we can use the word? Okay, we can use the word, the only possible ternary operator in Java is the conditional operator. Of course, not only in Java, sir, most of the programming languages, the only possible ternary operator, ternary operator is conditional operator. Best example for you, why it is the ternary operator? Suppose plus plus operator is there. For how many arguments I can apply? Anyone, can you please tell? Plus plus x. For how many arguments I can apply plus plus x? Only one argument. That's why this plus plus operator is called unary operator. Okay, because we are applying for only only one operand. That's why it is the unary operator. Next, a plus b. For how many arguments we are applying plus operator, right? Please guide, for how many operators we are applying plus operator? Unary operator. Yes, we are applying for two, sir. We are applying for two arguments. Okay, two arguments. So that's why it is called the binary operator. Binary operator, right? Okay, binary. Next, sir, here just observe that here ternary operator. Suppose, sir, here int x is equal to some condition. Okay, 10 greater than 20, question mark 30 colon 40, something like that. Sir, you know this is sir, here question mark colon, for how many operands we are applying? Sir, this is the condition, first operand. If this condition is the true, this is the first value. If this condition is the false, then automatically this is the value. Okay, like how many arguments are there? Can you please confirm? How many arguments are there, sir? 3 arguments are there. Yes, sir, this is the first argument. This is the first argument, this is the second argument, this is the third argument. So total 3 operands are there. That's why this is called the ternary operator. Remember this one, sir. So question mark colon, this operator is a ternary operator. That's why. So I hope you people may be aware the only possible ternary operator in Java is conditional operator. Not only in Java, sir, for most of the programming languages, it is ternary operator. It is the only possible ternary operator is the same thing only. Okay, that's all. Okay, now my important question here is my important point is, what is the syntax, how you can use this one, sir? Okay, like just observe carefully. Can you please tell, if I use this one, what is the output we are going to get? Anyone, can you please tell? Because everything is hard coded here. If I can take like this, what is the answer we are going to get if I print x value? If I print x value, what the output we are going to get? Just here, if you observe, sir, is it true or false? It is false. It is false. If this one is the false, if this is the false, second value will be considered. That's why 40 itself is the answer, sir. Okay, that's why what is the answer we are going to get? 40 itself is the answer. Okay, now Java C Java test, what the answer we are going to get? Simple, 40 itself is the output we are going to get. Perfect, sir. So if the first one is the true, then sir, the first, this is the value. If this conditional expression is the false, then this is the value. Okay, that's why what is the output we are going to get, sir? Just simple 40 itself is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt, friends? Everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay, so that's all. This is how we can what is the meaning of conditional operator, right? Next, one more important thing you should aware, sir. What that important thing is, sir. Now here just I want to take like this. Now can you please tell me the answer we are going to get, sir? Int x is equal to, now listen very carefully about this one. Int x is equal to, 10 greater than 20 question mark 30 question mark 30. Next okay, 40 greater than 50, 40 greater than 50, 40 greater than 50 question mark 60 colon 70. I'm trying to take. Yes, what is the answer we are going to get? Anyone, can you please tell? If I can do like this, what the output we are going to get, sir, in this case? Yes, take very special care about this terminology, friends. Okay, sir, 10 greater than 20, sir, this condition fails. If this condition fails, yes, the value, sir, this is the second value we require to consider. Again in this, again conditional expression is there, sir, it is false, it is false. If this one is the false, if this one is the false, now this is the answer. I mean, this is, so at last what is the output we are going to get, sir? Okay, take very special care. Shahildi, why you are expecting compatibility in this case? Okay, 70 itself is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt, friends? Are you in the position to understand what the output you are going to get? So please make sure nesting of relation, nesting of ternary operator is possible. Remember right? Okay, nesting of ternary operator is possible. Okay, that's all. So nesting of ternary operator is possible. So theoretically, that's all. This is more enough. We are not required to worry at all. Okay, so here just to take a bit very special care. Neha, just observe that. So this total thing should be evaluated first. This total thing should be evaluated first, and then the result should be assigned to x. So right to left associative is possible only for assignment operator, but in all remaining operators it is always left to right only. Neha, don't get confused. Suppose here if I can consider a plus b plus c plus d, then which plus will be evaluated first? Sir, this is left, this plus, and then next this plus, and then next this plus, right? Because take very special care, the operators are left associative. If multiple operators are there, okay, same precedence, then these operators will be executed from left to right. Remember, right? Okay, so next if I have assignment is there, sir. Now observe a bit very carefully. A is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to, sir, some 40 is there. So first which one will be evaluated, sir? Rightmost. Assignment is always right associative, but the remaining operators is always left associative. Neha, don't get confused. Only for assignment right associative, but remaining are left associative only. Okay, like that's fine. So these operands should be evaluated from left to right. Any doubt? All the things are very clear for you people, right? Okay, that's all. This is theoretically okay, but is there any chance to have some practice bits related to the ternary operator? Just 1 minute, friends. Just let me check, is there any chance to have that? Yeah. Just wait for a minute. Okay. Next, yes, Farooq, all right associative. Unary is not right associative. I mean, generally left associative only. If multiple unary operators are there, left to right. Assignment, wherever assignment is there, it's always going to be happen from right to left. First, the value will be evaluated, and then assignment is going to be happen. First, the value will be first the value will be associated, and then okay like that. So now I have one small question is there. Take very special care about this one. What I'm trying to take is here is a very simple for you people, right? Sir, I'm taking here just static int, one variable I'm taking, sir, price. Static int price is equal to static int price is equal to static double price is equal to, because usually price is double, okay, 10.5 I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, here my requirement is double price is equal to sir 20.6 I'm trying to take. Yes, it is acceptable, because static variable and a local variable having the same name, no problem at all. But inside main method, price means is always going to refer this one only. Okay, well, now just I'm asking if check price, check price I'm taking check price. Okay, so what this check price method is doing, public static okay, boolean okay, boolean check price I'm trying to take check price. So take a bit very special care. If price, do you know, if price is greater than, if 5 is greater than 15, if price is greater than 15, return 1 minute here. Instead of that, sir, boolean result is equal to boolean result is equal to what I'm trying to take, sir, price greater than 15, price greater than 15, return true, else return false I'm trying to take, sir. Return okay, return result like I'm trying to take, sir. Now here what it will do, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, sir, it is too costly, it is too costly, like this I'm taking, it is too costly, else okay, here just I'm trying to take here is else, okay, what I'm trying to take, it is not costly, it is too costly, it is not costly, it is not costly, okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, now here that's all, sir. Now can you please observe that here why I'm telling this example is, of course, just observe how they are trying to use this one. Okay, this is a very important terminology, friends. That's why take very special care about this one. Can you please guide what is the answer we are going to get, sir? Is it valid first? Is it valid first? Is it valid or not? Valid. Okay, now do you know if I can pass, if I can just I'm trying to take, okay, that's a, don't get confused here. So check price, now this function is going to call price means static variable will come in the picture, static variable value 10.5 greater than 15, no, that's why no, false is the answer. So return false. False means it is not costly, it is not costly, it is going to print. Raja, don't get confused, because price in this method, price means static variable will come, but not the local variable. Okay, this local variable is available only inside main method. Okay, so that is, now observe very carefully. What the answer we are going to get, sir? Here, it is not costly. It is not costly. Perfect. Okay, this is the output. What we are going to get, sir. Now here, just I'm trying to take. Okay, just I'm trying to take. What is the output we are getting? So just A, compilation fails. Okay, compilation fails. Okay, now B, sir, what it prints? It is too costly. Okay, it's too costly. Next, and after that it prints it is too costly, it is too costly, printed to the console, printed to the console, printed to the console, printed to the console. Next, it is not costly, printed to the console. It's not costly, printed to the console. Okay, just the namesake I'm trying to take, sir. It is a runtime exception. It is a runtime exception we are getting. Or it throws, an exception is thrown at runtime. An exception is thrown, an exception is thrown at the runtime. At the runtime, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, can you please guide which is the answer? Please respond. What the answer we are going to get in this case? Yeah. What the answer we are going to get in this case? It's not costly. It's not costly. Printed to the console is nothing but C. Perfect. Okay. Now I want to make small change for this code. I want to make small change for this. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Okay. Here just observe double price I'm trying to take. Can you please guide what is the output we are going to get in this case? Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point, right? Now you are passing price value. Now you are passing price value. This price value will come. This price value will come. Now local variable is available. Now local variable is available. Now this local variable value is going to consider, but not static variable. Now 20.6 is greater than 50. So true is the answer. If it is the true, means it is too costly, it will be printed to the console. If you want, just observe carefully, right? But the answer we are going to get, sir. What may be the answer? It's too costly, will be printed to the console. Wow, wonderful. So just observe. Maybe. So this in the main code, maybe a chance to use this type of code, sir. Just you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, what is the output we are going to get in this case? Okay, answer, it's too costly, printed to the console. Okay, like that. Next, one more thing, a bit dangerous thing, sir. Now have a look once. Local has more precedence over static variable. Correct, Sayed? Correct. Local variables having more precedence. Okay, than static and instance variable. If local is not there, then only remaining variables will come in the picture. Remember that. Okay. So now my question is, take a bit very special care about this terminology, friends. I'm trying to take int a is equal to 10, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, d is equal to 40, like I'm trying to take. Sir, four variables I'm taking, sir. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, and d is equal to 40. Can you please guide, is it acceptable or not acceptable? Is it acceptable or not acceptable? Anyone, can you please tell? Here we are not using semicolon. Now observe this. One perfectly. Itself is valid, no problem at all. In the middle semicolon by mistake, then it will become invalid, right? Now, sir, here I'm trying to take int result is equal to. Now take very special case, sir. A is lesser than b. If A is lesser than b, 1 minute. Just observe. Let me complete first. A is lesser than b. C is the answer. Next, if C lesser than D, then if C is lesser than D, then automatically D is the answer. Okay, so let me complete first. D itself is the answer. C is less than D. D itself is the answer. Next, if A greater than B, if A greater than B greater than B, then automatically, yeah, sir, A plus B itself is the answer, sir. That's all. Sir, system.out.println of result. System.out.println of result. Like I'm trying to take. Okay. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get in this case? What the answer we are going to get in this case? Yes, friends. Please confirm. Please confirm. So what is the output you are going to get in this case? Wow, take very special care about this terminology. Okay, very special care about this terminology. The answer what we are going to get. So first A is less than B, 10 is less than 20, 100% pakka correct. Then automatically C is the answer. That's why the result will become 30. The result will become 30. Compiler will give left and right in this case. Remember this one. What the reason? Already one or two numbers identified. What the reason is? Have you observed, right? Have you observed? So A greater than B, then automatically this is the first value. Now this total thing is the second value. Now this total is the second value. In this is the condition. Now this is the first value. Now this total is the second value. Now this total is the second value. This is the condition. This is the first value. Where is the second value? Are you getting? There is a syntactical mistake you are doing. Are you getting? There is a syntactical mistake you are doing. So first this expression is invalid. You are not using ternary operator properly. Remember that, okay? You are not using ternary operator properly. For every question mark, colon must be there. Okay? For every question mark, colon must be there. For this question mark, where is the colon? Where is the colon? Where you provided second value? Where you provided second value, you didn't provide second value. That's why immediately error by default you are going to get. If you want, just observe the compilation fails. Suresh, all the people are in the position to understand. Sir, colon expected because you didn't complete. Okay, this operation, right? Okay, so here just take very special care about this terminology, friends. What is the result? What is the result? Like maybe a chance. Can you please guide? So the first option directly 30 is the answer. Okay, second option some 20 is the answer. Okay, third option some 10 itself is the answer. Okay, 10 itself is the answer. The compilation fails. So first option is always attracting. So our hand is always going for A, but the answer is D. Compilation fails because it is invalid syntax. Okay, this one is invalid syntax. It is invalid. It is not the proper use. It's not the proper declaration of ternary operator. Not of ternary operator. Immediately what we are going to get, error semicolon expected. Like we will get this is the compiler error. Right? Compiler is very strict, boss. It is expected. Like compiler error we are going to get. Getting right? Vishnu, what it means? Can you please give an example? I didn't get you. With example, you can ask your doubt so that I can clarify. Okay. This is one dangerous thing you should be aware. Sir, all local final variables will be stored inside constant area. There is a constant pool will be there. In that constant pool, all the constants will be stored. It is invalid. Vishnu, it is invalid because the reason is you are taking an expression. Suppose in my code, assume that if I can take 10, can you please tell is it valid or invalid? Yeah, Vishnu. Just I'm taking 10. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Getting the thing? Invalid. Arey, why you are taking 10? Are you assigning to some value or not? Okay, like you are not doing anything. That's why. So just have some value, but you have to assign to something. Okay, like invalid. Suppose I'm creating new student. That's all. Arey, I'm creating an object. But you are not assigning with reference variable. You are not passing. This one as argument to somewhere else. That's why. So 100% pakka this one is invalid. Yeah. Getting? I hope everyone in the position to understand these things, right? Okay. Next, maybe there may be a chance of asking some more possibilities are there, sir. Okay, my question is, sir, here observe carefully. Int a is equal to okay 10 sorry, int a comma b comma c comma d I'm taking. Next, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to sir, here 20 I'm trying to take. All variables having that 20. Next, a here just I'm trying to take plus equal to a plus equal to plus equal to, okay, like a plus equal to b here just observe that b plus equal to c. Next, is okay, b plus c equal to like sir, is equal to d by 10 I'm trying to take. A plus is equal to like 10 I'm trying to take. Okay, sir, let me remove this d variable, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, can you please print what is the value of a, b and c? System dot out dot print ln a, sir, here plus a plus b plus okay, here just observe this one, a plus b plus c. Somewhere we covered this type of thing. Somewhere we covered this type of things, right? Sir, here parenthesis is there. Okay, highest precedence is always going for parenthesis. Have you remembered, right? Highest precedence is always going for parenthesis, right? That's why first this value will be evaluated. So b is equal to b plus c. B is equal to b plus c. So b plus c, what is the value? B value will become 40. B value will become 40. So this total value is the b value. B is equal to b plus c. B is equal to b plus c. B value will become 40. Next, so this is the 40. 40 by 10. 40 by 10 means 4. So a plus is equal to 4 means a is equal to a plus 4. A is equal to a plus 4. A plus 4. Sir, what is the value of a? Okay, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. And the c value, we are not performing any change. That's why 24, 40, 20 is the answer we are going to get. Remember, is it going to be happen or not? Okay. Now observe this. What the output we are going to get? 24, 40, 20. Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand? Because of parentheses are having highest precedence. Because of parentheses, first this one will be evaluated. So what is the result? By 10 means b is equal to b plus c. 40 by 10, 4. So b value will become 40. Under this total expression will become 4. So a plus is equal to 4 means a is equal to a plus 4. What is the answer we will get here is just very simple, sir. 20. Whatever the answer. 24, 40, 20 is the answer we will get. Perfect, sir. Any doubt? Are you getting any doubt about this one? Correct, Swarup. Swarup, just concentrate here, man. Don't think about the total Java. First, here we are discussing, right? Concentrate here. Your mind is with the constant pull and so on. Later we will, whenever the time will come, then we will. Are you in the position to understand all the people? Okay, maybe a chance to ask this type of questions. So can you please frame some wrong answer in this case? A plus is equal to b plus is equal to c minus 10. So some people may feel b plus is equal to c. So c value is the 2. Some people may feel c value is the 2. B is equal to b plus c means 22. A is equal to a plus b means something like 40. 20 plus 22, 42, like maybe a chance. Some people may feel compilation fails. Some people may feel compilation fails. Okay, like next some other answer 20 20 20. So there is no change because of this one 20 20 20, something like maybe a chance, right? Okay, so what is the answer we will get in this case is yes, perfectly. Can you please tell what the answer? What the answers are? Yes, A itself is the answer. So take a bit special care about this one. Next, I have one more thing is there. You have to take a bit very special care about this one, sir. What's my question is, sir, int I is equal to 0. Int I is equal to 0. Sir, now I plus is equal to, so I plus okay, plus I, okay, plus I plus, okay, plus I, okay. Now system dot out dot println I value. Can you please guide what is the answer we are going to get in this case? I plus I plus I plus I. So system dot out dot println of I. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? Please tell. Maybe these type of things also possible for the exam sake. Any doubt? Hmm. 2 or 3. What? Tell exact answer. Why you are telling 2 or 3? Either 2 or 3. Yes, friends. What the output you are going to get? We are not required to use parentheses. Okay, safe side for you. One option I reserved compile time error Bhaskar. Safe side one answer I kept a compile time error for you. What is the output you are going to get? Okay. So now it's a very simple kind of things. Okay. I don't know, but last option is compilation fails. Safe side one answer which are keeping last option compile time error. So don't get confused. Maybe a chance to ask this type of questions. Maybe a chance to ask this type of questions for you. Okay. What the answer we are going to get in this case is very simple, sir. First this line should be evaluated. First this one is going to be replaced with I is equal to I plus remaining thing. I is equal to I plus remaining thing. Remember this one. Okay. First I is equal to I plus remaining thing. This line will become this one. Now, so this total expression will be evaluated and the result will be assigned to the I. Remember this one, sir. So now, what is the here? Do you know what is the I value? What is the I value? Okay, I is equal to I plus I is equal to I plus. So its value will become will become here 0. Okay. Here just observe 0, I value is the 0 like next here I plus means first 0 and then I value will be incremented. Okay, now I value will become 1. I value will become 1. Now plus I value will be incremented. Now its value will be considered 2. Next I plus first consider I value and then increment, So next plus plus I, first increment I value and then consider something like 2 plus 2 plus 4 maybe 8 may be the answer. Okay, here plus plus I, its value is 2. Next I plus plus, it is the 2 plus plus I, it is the 4. Let me cross check first what output we are going to get, but perfectly this is the value. Don't feel it is don't feel this is the invalid thing. Okay, what the answer we are going to get perfectly 8 itself is the answer. Yes friends. Are you getting right? Now observe carefully. Sir, I value the 0 first. That's why I is the 0 plus I plus plus I plus plus. First consider 0 and then I value will be incremented because it's the post increment. Plus plus I, increment I value and then that incremented value please consider. Next I plus plus, okay, first I plus plus, first consider I value, consider I value and then increment this value. Okay, next plus plus I, first increment I value and then consider that incremented value. 2 plus 2 plus 4, its value is 8. Okay, now can you please tell what about your answers? Some people are telling your answers are options. Nagateja answer 16. Yes. Okay, any other 4 is also one answer. Whose answer it is? Ramesh answer is the 4. That's all. Oh, now what is the output we are going to get in this case is 8 itself is the answer. Any doubt? Okay, that's all. So this total result by default will be assigned to the I. So if only one memory allocation is there for I, how it is going to be happen? Have you remembered stack terminology? Intermediate results will be stored inside stack frame before applying the operators. Then the final value will be placed in the memory of I. In our data structure somewhere stacked arithmetic expressions by using arithmetic expression evaluation by using stack. Have you remembered computer level? Temporary memory area will be there in the stack, it will be stored there, temporary results. Okay, this is one possibility. Next, one more dangerous thing I want to tell for you people, just to take very special care. Int x is equal to 10. So now x is equal to sir plus x I'm taking x is equal to plus x like system.out.println or x value. I'm trying to print x value. What is the answer? Please guide what is the output we are going to get. Why you are thinking that much? It's a very easy, right? Yeah. What is the answer? First, x value will be incremented. X value will be incremented. Its x value is the 11. 11 will be assigned to x. So after this one, x value will become 11. Now again x value will be incremented. 12 will be assigned. Now 13 will be assigned. 14 will be assigned. So the output we are going to get 14. Perfect. Not 13. Neha. 14 is the answer we are going to get. Perfect, sir. So I don't think from this you are going to get some new thing. New thing is a very easy. But my intention of covering this one, you should aware, sir. Okay, 10 as it is. Okay, 10 as it is. Or otherwise 12, 13, 14 something like I'm taking safe side. Just here let me take 14. And then save compilation fails. Some people may feel just to attract those people. For anything, their answer is always compilation fails. So that's right. Okay, here just observe safe side D. Okay, so what is the answer we are going to get? Sir, C itself is the answer. Any explanation is required? Please confirm. Any explanation is required about this one? Can you please respond? Yo, okay, well. Now my next question Now my next question. Take very special care about this one, sir. What is my next question here is, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here, take my next thing, plus x. Can you please replace with x plus? Just a small change. Instead of pre-increment, now I'm trying to replace post-increment. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? Please. Yeah, excellent, Sayed. What may be the answer we are going to get in this case? Yes. Very important. Good. What may be the output we are going to get? Same 14, 13. Bhaskar is telling 13. Bhaskar is always thinking a bit differently today morning. Yes, what the answer we are going to get in this case? Okay, take very special care. Take very special care in this case, right? Okay, everyone, can you please respond? At least one lucky person can tell the answer. Sayed already told the correct answer. What about remaining people? Any lucky person is there today morning? What output we are going to get in this case? But the output we are going to get in this case, 100% pakka. The answer is, anyone can you please tell? The answer is okay, 1 followed by okay, perfectly. This is 14. Wrong. Okay, the answer is 1 followed by Bhaskar, you changed your answer to 14. Okay, excellent. Now the answer is 1 followed by 0. 1 0 is the correct answer. So just that is the part of internally JVM working flow. Just the cross check, Swarup. Okay, not recommended, just evaluation order I told. This is the way it is going to be evaluated. This is the way it is going to be evaluated. I value. So take these intermediate values stored in the stack frames. Final result will be assigned to I. Okay. Now can you please observe what is the answer we are going to get in this case? Anyone? 10. Okay, 10. How this 10 is going to be happen? Sir, first let me cross check, is it a 10 or not? Sir, a bit confusion. If I will give this one to 100 members, 99% of the people are always telling wrong answer only. So, but anyway, 10 is the perfect answer. But understanding is also not that much easy. Understanding is also not that much easy. Take very special cases. Small precedence issues are there. Okay. Now here, just this line. If you understand one line, remaining things will become very easy for you people, right? Okay. Remaining things will become very easy for you, right? Okay. Now what the reason? What the reason for that? Here see, x is equal to x plus I'm taking. Do you know in this how many operations are there? Please confirm. How many operations are there? Can you please confirm? Yes, friend. Here assignment is there, and then increment is there. Assignment is there, and then increment is there. Don't tell x is equal to x plus 1. So x plus. This is called increment. This is called post increment, and then assignment is also there. Remember, right? Assignment is also there. Is it pre-increment or post increment? Is it pre-increment or post increment? Post increment. Next, sir, this is assignment. So two operators are there. One is post increment and then assignment. Sir, usually which operator will be performed at last? Assignment will perform at last, because after evaluating this total, at last you have to consider. But is it pre-assignment or post-assignment? Post increment. That's why first consider x value for the assignment. Sir, don't get confused. Please observe carefully. consider x value for assignment. Because it's the post increment, first I have to use x value for assignment, but that assignment should be happen at last. Consider x value for assignment. Okay, now which value will be considered for assignment, sir? 10. So 10, because it's the post increment, sir. That's why. So this x value will be assigned to this variable, sir. Forget about this. Just I'm taking y. Assume that y. Later I will change. Now consider x value for assignment. Okay, like that. Now the second one, increment x value. Now, sir, x plus means now x value will become, what is the value, right? 11. Okay, increment x value. Now x value will become 11. Next, perform assignment with the old considered value. Because already I considered the value for assignment, right? And the assignment will be happen at last with the old considered value. Now what I have to say, x is equal to, assume because it is the x only, x is equal to, what is the old considered value? Can you please tell? What is the old considered value? Can you please tell? Sir, 10 only. Remember that. So this is, so in the middle x is incrementing to 11, but that incremented value again overriding with the old value 10 because of assignment. So think a bit logically, then definitely you people are going to get. So it is post increment. First consider x value and then perform incrementation. Consider x value and then perform incrementation. Okay, consider x value for assignment. What is the x value? 10. And perform increment operation. Now x value will become 11. Next, last, perform assignment with the old considered value. Perform assignment with the old considered value. Then automatically in the middle, if x value is incremented, that incremented value will be gone. Now again x will be assigned to 10. How many people can understand this discussion? Are you getting right? Now this line if you can take 1 crore times also, after completing that line, every time x value is always 10. So need not be 4 times. You can take 1000 times also. X value is always 10 only. Okay, remember that. So this that's why I'm telling this part. Is it post increment or pre increment? Who is asking? Who is asking this one? Neha. Why we are performing with the is it post increment or pre increment? Post increment. Post increment means first I have to consider x value and then increment is going to be happen. First I want to consider x value and then increment is going to be happen. Okay. Now observe, if I'm taking this one, int y is equal to x plus. Now consider x value for assignment and then x value will be incremented. At last assignment is going to be happen. Assignment is going to be happen with the old consider value. What is the y value we are going to get? Can you please guess what is the y value? Can you please consider what is the y value? Yes, 10 only, because it is the post increment. First consider x value and then x value will be incremented because it's the post increment. That's why. Now observe carefully. But the answer we are going to get is a 10. Any doubt? No, only one memory location. Vishnu, only one memory location for x. Okay, what will happen is, sir, here consider x value for assignment. It is going to be stored in some temporary location. Okay, because that operation should be performed at last. Store, consider this value. Suppose in the stack Swaroop, just observe carefully. Suppose here 10 plus 20 into 30 is there. 10 plus 20 into 30 is there, sir. Assume that. So the first it will be performed here. The first will be performed here. So I have to evaluate this one, but this one should be performed. Sir, my cursor is always moving from left to right. This value will be stored temporarily in the temporary location. 10 will be stored here. Next time after that plus operator will be stored here. Next 20 will be stored here. Next time after that star operator is there. Star having more precedence. Okay, so star having more precedence, star, and then 30 is here. Assume star having more precedence. That's why this total thing will be evaluated. Now again store the result in the stack 600. Now 600 plus 10, 610. This is 610 stored in the temporary location, and that final value will be assigned to whatever the variable you want. So all these temporary results will be stored inside stack area. Getting? Yes? Okay. Now observe that. Sir, here this assignment and then increment. Which operator will be evaluated first? Increment operator will be evaluated first and then assignment. But this increment, is it post increment or pre increment? Mahalakshmi, is it post increment or pre increment? Is it post increment or pre increment? Okay, it is a post increment. In the post increment, we require to consider value at the beginning and then you can perform incrementation. Okay, like sir, now consider x value for assignment because it is the post increment. Was assignment should be happen with the current value of x but not with the incremented value. Getting? Because it is the post increment. Mahalakshmi, getting? Assignment should be happen with the current value of x but not with the incremented value because it is the post increment. First consider x value and then perform increment operation. Yes, consider x value for assignment. Okay, and then increment x value. Now x value will become 11. But assignment should be happen at last. Now perform assignment with the already considered value of x. Now x is equal to 10. A bit dangerous question. Out of 100, 99% of the people are going to fail to answer this one. I'm sure. Okay, think a bit logically. Are you getting the point? So the answer should be A. Yes. Please confirm. Any doubt? You respond. Swarup, here just observe. Swarup is here, just have a look once, Swarup. Sorry, here just X, I should not declare. Here see this one, observe carefully. Now, here how many operators are there? Please, the remaining people also, the remaining people also, please listen carefully. The people who are not getting clearly, here see. If I can take, assume y. Now in this line, how many operators are there? Please confirm. 2 operators. One is assignment operator. Second one is post increment operator. Assignment operator, post increment operator. So here among these two, assignment operator having least precedence. Assignment has less precedence. Assignment has lesser precedence. Sorry, 1 minute. Assignment has less precedence. That's why assignment will be performed at last. Assignment will be performed at last. Okay. Next, is it a pre-increment or post-increment? Now observe. Is it a pre-increment or post-increment? Yeah, Mahalakshmi, I will explain. Is it a pre-increment or post-increment? Can you please tell? Post-increment. Okay. Post-increment means post-increment means we have to use x value. We have to use x value and then increment should be happen. Correct, right? We have to use x value and then increment. That is the meaning of post increment. Post increment means array first use x value and then increment is going to be happen. Any doubt about these 3 points? Please confirm. there are two operators are there, assignment operator and post increment operator. Next, assignment has less precedence. Next, than post increment. Next, general meaning of post increment means array consider x value. Consider we have to use x value and then increment we have to happen. Post increment use x and then post means after increment, right? Okay. Now here just observe carefully, right? Okay, these are 3 points. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? There are two operators are there. Next, which operator will be evaluated first? Assignment should be happen at last because of less precedence. Next, post increment means we have to use x value and then increment is going to be happen. Okay, now observe carefully. Here, so in this line, so I have to talk about right hand side. Okay, listen very carefully. It is the post increment. Was use x value and then perform increment. Use x value and then perform increment. Okay, consider x value, x value 10 for assignment. Consider x value 10 for assignment. Okay, now why you consider 10 for assignment? What the reason? Please, anyone can you please tell what the reason why we consider x for assignment, 10 value for assignment? Because it is post increment. Okay, next, this 10 value is not initialized to x. What is the reason? Yes, this assignment should be happen at last because it has less precedence. Okay, well, next, perform post increment. So x plus means now x value will become 11. Okay, now x value will become what? 11 like. Now I have to perform post increment. Already I did. Now x value is 11. Remember that. Now I have to perform. Sir, now assignment is the remaining operator because that is the already post increment we did. Now assignment is the remaining. Now perform assignment with already for assignment purpose I consider the value before increment. Whatever value is there I consider. Perform assignment with the old considered value. Perform assignment with the old considered value. Now what is the old considered value? 10. But unfortunately these 10 I have to initialize to x. But what is the current x values are 11. Now this 11 will override with the x is equal to 10. X is equal to 11 happened in the middle, but the final, because of assignment, x value will become 10. Ayyo, how many people are in the position to understand? Yes. What about Swaroop, Neha? Incremented value of x gone because 1 minute. So some people here see this one. Now you may get much clarity. If I can take x is equal to 10, and then x is equal to 11, and then x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10. Now what is the final value of x? Rahim. Now what is the final value of x? 10. So 11 override with 10. 11 override with 10 happen. The same thing is happens, sir. Perform assignment with old considered value of 10 to x variable. So whatever old value is there inside x, that thing will be replaced with this new value. Rahim, can you please imagine these lines? Then you can understand. Currently x value is 11, but if I use x equal 10, that 11 will be override with the 10. That 11 will be replaced with the 10. Correct? Rahim. Yeah. Still anyone having the doubt? Still anyone having the doubt about this one? Okay, think with pleasant mind. Definitely you people are going to get. Don't worry at all. Sir, a bit dangerous concept. Okay, like that. Now, sir, that's all this is. Yeah. Into y is equal to 10, into x is equal to 10, y x plus system data of that x plus y. What happened in this case? Yeah. Now good. So Rahim is providing one more question so that it may be practice for us. Now observe, int x is equal to 10 is taking, sorry, int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 10, int x is equal to 10, int y is equal to 10. Next y is equal to x plus plus I'm taking, y is equal to x plus plus I'm taking, again y is equal to x plus plus, y is equal to x plus plus. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, well, y x plus plus, x plus plus, x plus plus, like I'm trying to take. Now can you please print system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, what is the x value plus what is the y value? What is the x value plus what is the y value? Yeah, can you please tell what is the answer? Everyone, you have to tell the answer for this. Excellent. You have to tell what the output you are going to get in this case. Excellent. Hey Raja, think a bit very carefully and then tell the answer. Think a bit very carefully and then tell the answer. Yes, a bit dangerous. A bit dangerous. Okay, Rahim, definitely your question is a bit dangerous. How many people are going to tell correct answer? We will check and then I will start explanation. Completed? All the people are in the position to answer? Respond. Okay. 10, 30, 60, 130. Nice thing. Where those many print statements, man, only one print statement we have x value, y value. What is the final x value? What is the final y value? When I sing, what is the final x value and what is the final y value? Yeah, good. Now, I hope everyone in the position to answer very easily this one. Okay. Now observe that. I hope my explanation. Okay. Think a bit very carefully. Don't think too much. Line to line, I will explain. Line to line, I will explain. Sir, here just observe this one. Just observe these things. Sir, here after completing this line, okay, after completing first line, consider x value for assignment. What is the x value? 10. 10 will be considered for assignment and then x value will be incremented. Now after this line x value will become 11, but consider x value for assignment, old value for assignment. Now y value will become 10. Any doubt about this one? Please confirm. Respond. Any doubt about after the first one? After the first one, x is 11, y is equal to 10. Mahalakshmi, correct? Okay, well. Next, now listen carefully. At this point of time, you know what is the current value of x11. You know already current value of x. Consider x value for assignment. So 11 I have to consider for y. I have to consider 11 for y, and then x value please increment. Now x value will become 12, y value will become 11. Any doubt about this one? Yes, people. Okay. Now, sir, after this, current x value is the 12. Current x value is the 12. Consider x value for assignment. Now 12 value will be considered for y and increment x value. X value will become 13. Y value will become, consider x value for assignment 12. Now, so after this line x is equal to 13, y is equal to 12. Now consider x value for assignment and then increment x value. X is equal to 14, but y is equal to 13. Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand. But the answer we are going to get, 14, 13 is the answer. Let me cross check. 14, 13 itself is the answer. Yeah, Rahim, any doubt? what the output we are going to get in this case? What the answer we are going to get in this case is, can you please spell out, sir? What answer? C. C itself is the answer. 1413. Okay, what the reason for that? How each line is going to be happen, like you should aware. Now, after this discussion, now if you want, can you please analyze? You can understand very easily. The reason for that is, in here, old value of x we are assigning to y. Old value of x we are assigning to y. But in this case, in this example, what happened is, old value of x again we are assigning to x only. So in the middle incremented value will be gone. Now you can understand very easily now after this example. Can you please think? If any person feeling difficulty, now I hope you can understand very easily this one. Nothing will be there. Okay, that's it.